Hi everyone, welcome back to AG Takes Over. This is Kristie, and today we're going to cover everything Kavi related. My wife and I just got back from the American Girl store in Columbus. I filmed as promised. I asked for people's requests for specific things you wanted me to focus on, and I think I have covered all of those in this video. So first, we're just going to do a tour. I'll kind of note some things, do a voiceover, but there's some specific things that I'm going to revisit either in photos or more detailed videos at the end. So watch all the way through. All right, so I thought I would come in looking at Kira. Why are you still here? Corinne, thank you for being here. And then they've got Kavi right after that. Obviously, that's the main event. And at this point, we had just gotten into the store. We kind of skipped over all the snacks because I wanted to get here before too many people got in. I don't really know how to blur out people's faces in the background, but I want to respect their privacy. So it was easiest for me to just do this before it got too crowded. This is her big ticket item. It's not really a big ticket item so much as it is a collection of medium-sized things. And we're going to look at it more in depth later, but I just was kind of getting a once-over. Those things are not, if I recall correctly, actually stuck on there. They look like they are. One thing to note is how much 110 and 122, the Truly Me dolls, are used in every visual display that American Girl did in this store. It's pretty consistent, and we'll get to the reason why toward the end of the video. Here is obviously her trunk. Everything is plastic. All plastic, all the time. This seems to draw on the Grand Hotel luggage cart. It's different, obviously, but same style. The pink, the kind of fuchsia plastic, my wife and I were talking about this. I said, I'm not really a fan because I don't feel it's versatile. We could never use this in our dollhouse, for example. But we were thinking about it. And if you have the American Girl Cafe, or if you have the World by Us Community Center, I think that her pieces would work really well with it. These shoes are indeed cloth. I still don't love them, but they are cloth. I didn't realize in the leaked pictures that her accessories hat actually has AG embroidered onto the front of it. I'm not sure why. I don't think that was necessary. This is the outfit I'm super excited about. Does not come with shoes. Not that I expected it to. I don't know if those earrings come with it or not. I'll have to look. We did get it. Not to give you any, spoilers. We are going to do I'm going to do an unboxing video later, but here's all of her DJ gear. You know that no American Girl doll is sitting on that little stool. Here's her Spice Girl shoes. So this material was not super thick feeling, but it's just regular cotton compared to the new travel outfit, the pink one that kind of looks like tweed. That outfit actually feels very cheap to me. The fabric is very thin and I don't like the feel of it, but these pants felt nice. The jacket was obviously super soft. Our store notoriously does not ever put batteries in things, and I wanted to record all these sounds for you, and hear them for myself, obviously, but no such luck. It was loud enough, I'm not sure I would have been able to hear it anyway. This was behind the glass, so I couldn't rifle through all of her pieces, but these things all come with her trunk. I think there are not going to be a lot of lukewarm reactions to her outfits. It's going to be a love-hate thing. Remember, I said you're going to see a lot of 110 and 122 in every display with her. I love this outfit. One of the things that I love about going to the store is that you get to see the same doll's hair styled so many ways in one trip. She has little sandalwood oil in her yoga accessories. Here are her PJs, obviously. I love her hair like that. This is cute. Also, can we talk about how American Girl needs to just sell these backdrops? I think that every time I go to the store. Here's her BFF 110 again. I feel like this, you get a better sense of the length of her hair there. Part of her accessories. Now, if you were wondering what kind of goodies did we get as a result of paying the registration fee, we got some pastries and some coffee. They had lemonade and tea and things like that, orange juice. The actual freebie was just these stickers and this poster, which when you flip it over is a calendar for her year. Not super impressive freebies, but also this year, unlike last year, they were very upfront about that. They said stickers and paper or something, stickers and a poster. They were really upfront about it. So I did not feel misled or disappointed. We knew what we were getting coming into it. They also were doing drawings, I think, only for her PJs and the child size PJs. Now back to why 110 and 122 were in here every single time we looked at a display. When we got home and we opened up the doll and started looking through her book, we saw this, like on the second page. So they have written in these Truly Me characters, given them names, Sophie and Pari, I don't know, and established, yep, those are her BFFs. They're even wearing the meat outfits that those two dolls are wearing when you buy them. So interesting. She has nail polish on in this one, so I don't know if that's just an accessory that they added for the display or if this outfit actually comes with the nail decals. These were the displays that were facing outside, like facing the street. So here's something I noticed. This comes off and it says star on the back, but I'm not sure why. I looked at everything and I couldn't figure out where else this could go. I thought maybe on the other side of the stage. Also, this stage, one positive about it is that it seems collapsible, and I'm going to look at that a little more in a minute. It's super flimsy. I would not buy it personally. I just don't think that it's particularly impressive. This set is nicer than I thought, but I still don't think that I would get the DJ set personally, not out of my budget. My wife may. And now I'm going to show some photos, just of some details that might have been missed on the first walkthrough. These jelly shoes brought me lots of nostalgia, and they're part of her trunk, I believe. Maybe they go with a specific outfit. I'm going to have to look at the things in more detail. This is her robe. Again, they're really adding the American Girl logo in ways that I don't recall in last year's Girl of the Year or Girls of the Year past. Here's a skirt that is part of her trunk. I'm showing this picture of the stage to point out that the curtains, the way that they close, they're on these little brackets so they can close or open. Also, in the video, I had shown the string lights were hung elsewhere. So this is just showing them hung up on the stage. And I thought that I took video of this. I must not have. It does collapse. So one of the sides of the stage swings around and closes in front of the middle part, and the other one swings around and closes in back of the middle part. So though I think this thing feels super flimsy and cheap, and I will not be buying it, if you have a child who likes it and you are concerned about space, I will say this is efficient. That's all I'll say. Here's a close-up of the material of the curtain. And then this piece, I thought this was interesting. This is like the vanity, the backside of the vanity. It has a spot where you can hang, or 3 spots where you can hang outfits or accessories. And it looks like this is permanently affixed, but it's not. So it's just a piece of thicker cardboard that you can pop out. And they, I think, are trying to go for an industrial look on the back end of it if you take that cardboard off. It's neither here nor there to me. It's not a piece I'm getting, but if you are interested, I wanted to show you as many details as I could find. Now, somebody else had asked about the similarities between 117 and Kavi Sharma. So let's take a look at those. So the lighting was not amazing. They were actually out of 117, and one of the employees was kind enough to take the glass off of one of the displays so I could at least get pictures without glare. So super sweet. Both of them have this weird lighter than their skin tone thing going on that a lot of the Truly Me's do now, where it's like underneath their lower lashes, there's a lighter skin tone. It's supposed to blend maybe, but it doesn't. I think it's a little weird. Once I see it, I can't unsee it. So that's frustrating, but it is a similarity between the two of them. They both have middle parts. Kavika's hair is straight and a little bit shorter than Truly Me 117's. Their lips obviously have the same exact shape, similar tone of lip color. Eyebrows are different. Kavika's hair and eyebrows are darker than Truly Me 117, and their eyebrow shape is different. The skin tone, it's not necessarily that one is lighter or darker, it's just that Truly Me 117 has a lot more orange undertones in her skin. The last part of this video has nothing to do with the Girl of the Year. Somebody had asked that I take some up-close footage of the 3 new travel outfits. So for that person, here you go. And that is it. We most definitely made some significant purchases, and I'll upload an unboxing video later. Oh, hey, I found the video where I collapsed the stage. There you go. Anyway, I will be able to talk more details about the textures of everything and whatnot when we do the actual unboxing. But for those of you who don't live near a store, I just wanted you to be able to live vicariously and virtually join the release event. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.